Welcome learners. In this video you will learn about search engine for research papers. Yes, in this video I'm about to share with you some research search engines from where you can download free research papers, plus you can also find research topics and research ideas as well. So this video is going to be very useful, so please watch this video till end. Welcome to Murad and Academy, the place where people come to learn. Subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it and press on the bell icon. So as I told you in this video, I am about to share search engines for research paper. So the first search engine for research is academic info. In this search engine you can find online degrees, online colleges, educational resources and free research papers. Next search engine we have for research is VLRC. From this search engine you can find tons of materials related to education and research. Next we have search engine is RefSeq. It's simple to use, easy to use, and in this search engine you can search documents, you can search research papers, research topics and other useful research material. Next we have search engine is Google Scholar, which provides you free scientific research papers and paid research papers, plus it also provides you books and research projects as well. Next search engine we have is Microsoft Academic. In this search engine you can find research books, author's name, journals and other research material. Next search engine for research we have is DOAJ, which means the Directory of Open Access Journals. As its name suggests, you can find impact factor journals from this website, plus you can also access free articles, paid articles, plus you can also find books and research projects as well. Next search engine we have is Base. It's same as Google Scholar. You can find books, research papers, research topics, research projects and other research material. And the last search engine of today's video, which I am about to share with you, is Core search engine. This is one of the world's largest open access research papers. It has one of the world's largest collection of free research papers. In this website you can find free research papers, free books, free research materials, free journals and much more. So then that's it for today. I searched best search engines for research for you, so I decided to share with you so you can learn about that and you can easily search and conduct your research. So that's it for today. If you really learned about search engine for research, then do like my video. If you haven't learned anything from this video, then do dislike my video. Do comment down below, give suggestions. If you want video on any topic, do comment down below. I will try to make that video, and if I'm unable to make video on the topic, I will provide research material related to that topic. And don't forget to share this video with other learners so they can also learn about search engines which are best for research and for research papers. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.